Good afternoon, I'm Federica. Today we're going to review the account of one of our traders, Amechi. Amechi joined our funded trader program last October on the 13th and hit his first 10% target last January on the 6th. So let's have a look at the journey he had with us, because it was quite a tough beginning for him. In fact, we can see from his equity line that as soon as he started, he went into negative territory. Then he started to recover a bit. He was still in negative territory, but let's say that around 1 month after he was recovering those losses, and he was at minus 2.17%, and something happened and he went already in drawdown territory. In fact, we can see here by the end of November he was down 10% on his account, so he was at limit, at the very limit, but the risk management wanted to give him a chance, so he kept trading, and it was a good choice actually, because we can see how here from the 20th of November he started to gain profits slowly, and in fact we can see here how by the 1 month after, roughly, he was back on the initial account balance. On the 17th of December, he was up 1% on his account, and then he went just one way up, slowly, towards his first 10% target on the 6th of January. So it was quite a tough start for him, not an easy one, but still patiently he managed to hit his first 10% target. So first of all, congratulations, Amechi, and very well done. A very good recovery, I gotta be honest. Now, let's have a look at the statistics. We can see here an average daily return of 0.10% with a monthly return of 2.92%. With a drawdown, this is what we mentioned early, on average of 13%. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So we can see a number of trades, 205 position opened with a profitability rate of 43%. A bit low, but let's have a look at average win and loss. So we have here an average win of 22.25 pips with an average loss of 14.60%. So still we have a good ratio here between average win and average loss. So eventually he managed to be profitable even with a low profitability rate. Let's have a look at his best trade and his worst trade. I can see the same dates, so let's have a look. So his best trades, both in terms of pips and dollars, was on the 9th of November. He gained $851 with 178 pips, while on his worst trade on the 13th of November, just a few days after basically, he lost $921, resulting in a loss of 192 pips. Okay, let's have a look at the summary. So we can see he only traded 4 pairs. 150 position opened on the pound yen, resulting in a loss though of $748. 41 position opened on the Aussie US, and this was really profitable for him. He gained 366 pips on this one, resulting in a profit of $1,831. Very profitable were as well his 13 position opened on the pound dollar. He gained 95 pips, resulting in a profit of $488. Very good. And only one position here. Why don't mention it on the Aussie New Zealand, but it was a negative position for him, although he just lost $16 on this one. Okay, let's have a look at the history as well. So this is when he first joined the program on the 13th of October. He was going full lot size on his trades since the beginning, and this is when things started to go the wrong way for him, but he was keeping trading at full lot size available for him. Okay. And this is the 21st of January when he hit his first 10% target, and now he's managing his $30,000 account. Okay, very good, very well done. Let's have a look at the average trade length. We can see here 7 hours and 52 minutes. Okay, yes. So we can see how the majority of the position were held for less than 1 day, and just few others were held for longer. Although we need to mention here that in this case, the majority of the position held for longer than 1 day were negative positions, or equivalent actually, but definitely too many losing position held for longer. So this is this is Amechi, maybe a suggestion that I can give you to try to cut your losing trade short there for next time. But overall, very good, very well done, and again, very well done on your recovery, because it was not easy. Okay, also psychologically wise, we need to understand that when you see that you are down on your account, it's not easy to to consistently reach gain after gain, profit after profit, and build your account back up to the initial account balance, and then from there to 10% target. So very well done. Congratulations again, and I look forward to do the second review of your account.